Hello friends. So today I am very happy because I have just completed my second project, student management system software. It can manage the records of students, and I will give a complete description of it. Okay, let's start. I'm going to run my code. Here you can see my project, student management system. As you can see, there are the two columns like manage students. In this you can enter the student roll number, name, email, gender, contact number, date of birth, and then address. Okay, let's suppose we are going to add a record of a student like a roll number, suppose 24, name Ahmed, and email ahmed at the rate gmail.com, and select gender male. Contact number 0301 slash anything. Date of birth 98 slash 21 slash 2000. Address London, United Kingdom. Okay, now if you want to add this data, then just click on add data button. The message pop up. Your data has been saved successfully. Okay. Now if you want to preview all data, then just click on show data button. Here you can see all the data like we have mm, we have 24 records of students. Then if you want to update any record, like if like suppose we want to edit the record of Nawaz, then just click on the Nawaz. As you can see, the Nawaz records come in the entry boxes. Like suppose if you want to edit the Nawaz from Nawaz Mughal, let's suppose Nawaz Mughal. Now just click on update data button, update data, and our data is updated. Now just click on show data again. As you can see here, the Nawaz changed from Nawaz Mughal, means our data is updated. Now if you want to delete any data, like suppose we want to delete the data of Rimsha, roll number 19, then just click on 19 and just click on delete data. Our data is deleted. Now just click on show data again. Now you can see it jumps from 18 to 20. The record of 19 student will be deleted. Okay. Now if you want to search data, like you want to preview the data of whom students whom belongs to uh, any country, or whom gender is female, then just click on the combo box. Here the pop-up menu will appear. Then just click on student gender, and type the gender whom you want to record the find, whom you want to find the record. Like if I want to find the record of only female students, just click type here female, and then click on search button. As you can see, the records of female students, only female students whose gender is female, is appear. Female, 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 female. All the records of female students are appeared. Now if you want to show all the data, preview all the data, then just click on show all data button. Okay. Now if you want to give any sort of suggestions, then please comment below, or if you want to view the tutorial, if you want the source code, then just comment below. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much guys for giving me your precious time. Thank you.